Hello folks, Stoney coming at you. Well, got my wheel horse, actual wheel horse. Look at the tires on that, it's kind of cool. Old tractor tires. But I don't know what year it is or anything. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Kohler motor in it. Old wheel horse. Missing the carburetor. Totally missing the carburetor. But there it is. Custom exhaust. Ain't that gorgeous? Ain't that pretty? I don't know. Not bad. Not bad. There it is. Till next time. Yep, so I'll get a better shot of this when I get it off. But I gotta get one new tire. See if I can get a carb for this motor. See if it's missing. Might be able to get something on there. But transmission works good. That's a plus. Tires full air, a little dry rotted. But I don't know. That's a cool little wheel horse. It's a nice tractor. Alright folks, until next time. I gotta put some hood latches on that. It was flying up, so I had to just ratchet it down. But, oh yeah, I got that. Oh yeah, still working on the S10. Remember the S10? This is getting a new paint job, but I got those 2-inch adapters on there, or 2.5s, but not a bad truck. These exhaust work. And we got one of these statements in. That motor was seized. That one. Oh, yeah, the go-kart. One I got from Harvey. This thing is fast. Dangerous. Contraption. And then we got another. Oh yeah, another Statesman here. This is the one that had a seized motor on it, so we took it off. We have all the side panels. It was complete, it just had a blown motor, or seized motor. But we got 2 of these complete. I don't know what we're gonna do with them. And we got the other horde right there. Bunch of tractors. I'm not keeping all of these, but I might take off this motor. Maybe this one. I got this one running, but one cylinder smokes. Not both, just the right side. Of course, that one runs good. We can get that one running. Statement. And I still got this one to work on. Carburetor. So, alright folks, until next time, Stoney out.